Assalamualaikum. Hello friends, welcome back my YouTube channel Rimsha Decoration. I hope all my viewers are fine and enjoy the day of life. If you know about my YouTube channel or are like video, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and please make sure press the bell icon so you told any other amazing video like this one, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. So guys, please watch this video to end and then don't miss any other amazing video designs and decorations. So guys, I am back a beautiful idea about the designs of birthday cake decorations in different styles, different color combination and different sizes. Here are some amazing, delicious and eye-catching chocolate cake decorating ideas that suit both home and professional parties. I hope you enjoy my video. Most beautiful, most amazing and most creative designs. If you new my YouTube channel, then don't miss any other amazing video like this one, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Here are some amazing, delicious and eye-catching cake. How to decorate your cake with a beautiful way. I provide you simple ideas for your cake that is most essential, that is most creative. I hope you enjoy my video, the creativity I mentioned on my YouTube video. Thank you so much guys for watching my cake designs. If you are interested in these types of design, then please visit my channel, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. I hope you enjoy my cake designs. I hope you love my cake designs. Thank you so much guys for watching my YouTube video. I hope this design and this creativity are fantastic. I hope this video is very scientific and creative for your beautiful video and beautiful ideas. Cake decoration ideas can evaluate any celebrations. Cake decoration ideas transfer space into bright celebrations. All the designs are very unique and trending. If you like more ideas, specific decorating tips, please visit my channel, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. These decorations bring the excitement of birthday person's life and make the party unforgettable. These designs are very unique. If you like any designs, then take a screenshot of it. If you like any design, if you new my YouTube channel, then don't miss any other amazing video like this one, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. You can use each theme perfect for birthday celebrations, baby showers, bridal shower, groom shower, anniversary, professional parties or any other celebrations. Consider these themed core matching the occasions. Whether simple or beautiful cake showcase love and celebrations. I am sure cake decoration ideas from this video. If you like any designs, and take a screenshot of it, and also do try my amazing cake recipe. They are so easy to make, absolutely delicious. Thank you so much everyone for watching my YouTube video. Allah Hafiz.